Let's talk tropics on this Monday morning. We are watching an area of disturbed weather east of the Windward Islands. It has a 50% chance of tropical development over the next 7 days. Now, where does it go? Well, right now, it is heading towards the Greater Antilles and the Bahamas. And then you can see it starts to turn north a little bit, and it kind of splits the Florida Peninsula. I would say 2/3 towards the Florida Peninsula east, and about 1/3 of that chance to the Gulf of Mexico. So it's something we'll definitely need to watch over the next several days. It has that chance, equal chances now, of being a depression and or storm, even hurricane. The name would be Debbie. So this will be something we'll be watching over the next several days. It's still about a week away from impacting the U.S., and right now it's nothing. So we have to see if it turns into something. Let's talk about what's going to turn into something this afternoon. Showers and storms back at us again. We have had very, very heavy rainfall in Valdosta. Now, there's two things going on in Valdosta. Number one, you get 7 inches of rain in a short period of time. It's going to cause problems. Number two, urban area. You've got concrete all over the place. And so that does not soak into the ground, and that's why you have the propensity of having more flash flooding. Let's talk about mid-70s this morning. We're into the mid-80s at 11 o'clock. Upper 80s by 2, and then the rain chances really start to take over 2 o'clock onward. Have the umbrella ready. We still do have that marginal risk for flash flooding pretty much area-wide. You can see here on a Monday. So again, isolated threat for flash flooding like we saw on Saturday in the Valdosta area in Lowndes County. Scattered thunderstorms this evening from 7 to 9. Showers lingering. Temperatures going from the mid-80s down into the upper 70s. Rain chances will fall off to about 30%. Into the overnight, we'll start off at 74 degrees. So we had this old frontal boundary, really didn't press through like I thought it would, so that's why we're still holding on to some rain chances. There was some much drier air off to our north and east, and even comfortable compared to what we've been dealing with dew points in the mid-70s. Those dew points aren't going anywhere, but we do knock the rain chances down. They'll be more scattered tomorrow in the afternoon. And this word is starting to creep up on us more so than it's been over the last several days. The last 2 weeks of weather, we've only had 1 or 2 days of above average temperatures. The other days have been below average. But guess what? We're heading back to above average temperatures as our rain chances drop off, especially on Wednesday. The heat will be on like Donkey Kong. Yeah, we can't rule out an isolated shower or storm. Looks like maybe more so in the evening. But the story will be the heat's building as we go into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday as we drop the rain chances from the likely side today at 60% to the more scattered to isolated side as we go from Tuesday to Wednesday. So you can see how that pops the temperatures. We'll go from 93 to 95 and stay there Thursday and Friday. We may build into some rain chances Friday, and that should hopefully, with fingers crossed, take the temperatures down just a little bit heading into this weekend. But as we head into the rest of the work week, you can see those mid-90s and those heat index numbers skyrocketing past 105 Wednesday and approaching 108. So this is heat advisory criteria met on Friday, but we have the potential Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to meet that. So please be careful if you have to work outside or do anything outside. Football practice still going on. Do it in the morning before the heat really takes on, generally before 11 o'clock. We'll talk all about that on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. Of course. We'll see you then.